The most disturbing thing caught on doorbell camera.
Steven here.
You got the wrong house.
I knew this was a ripoff.
Okay, what are you looking for, Steven?
No, I am Steven. I'm looking for Fifi.
Yeah, you got the wrong house.
So you don't want to have sex tonight?
Sir, my husband's in the living room with the gun.
Huh. Okay.
Have a good
Understood.
night.
Wow.
So I can only assume that was for me. Thanks, you guys.
Why? Which one?
Steven?
What I just watched.
You
Who
talking about
said
which one? The doorbell?
Yeah.
I sent that, but I didn't know that's what was gonna happen.
Sure.
Come on, Steven.
I'm Steven. I'm here looking for Fifi. So you don't want to have sex tonight?
Steven, you're a sick fuck.
Yeah, I'm gonna find a video about penetrating chamber 8.
Woo.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you
Not
something.
me.